GEORGINA MITCHELL Last outdated 2022, May 25, 2018. The three people who have come forward with allegations against actor Craig McLachlan wish to remain anonymous in court proceedings. Three people who have come forward with allegations of indecent assault against actor Craig McLachlan wish to remain anonymous in court proceedings. A Sydney court has heard. McLachlan, 52, is suing the ABC and Fairfax Media, publisher of the Sydney Morning Herald and The Age, for defamation over a joint investigation published in January which detailed allegations of harassment and sexual misconduct made against him by female colleagues from the 2014 stage production of the Rocky Horror Show. The actor alleges the articles and broadcasts convey a range of imputations, including that he is guilty of indecently assaulting, sexually harassing, indecently exposing himself to, and bullying female cast members during the Rocky Horror Tour. Craig McLachlan as Frank-N-Furter performs during a Rocky Horror Show. He says those claims are false and is seeking damages and an order that the publications be removed from the media outlets' websites. Read more. Fresh harassment allegations leveled at Craig McLachlan. Court hears Craig McLachlan leaves Rocky Horror Show in wake of harassment claims underneath Australian larrikin lurks a sex predator. Co-stars say McLachlan is also suing one of the women, Christy Whelan-Brown, who spoke to the organizations and performed the lead role of Janet in the production. In a preliminary Supreme Court hearing on Friday, the media organization's barrister Lindell Barnett applied to suppress the identities of three people mentioned in the defense document which was filed this week. Barnett said all three would allege they were subjected to an indecent assault by the plaintiff. One had lodged a complaint to the police in respect of that conduct and may soon be protected by statutory laws preventing the publication of names of victims. The trio were not the subject of the articles at the center of the proceedings, Barnett said, and required some level of anonymity for the information they would provide about their alleged interactions with McLachlan. These people did not choose to come to the media, Barnett said. In my submission, it's not in the public interest that alleged victims have an inhibition in coming forward. We are concerned to protect these people from being named in my own client's newspapers, or by anyone else. Barnett said two of the three were prepared to give evidence at trial but one did not wish to, because of the effect it could have on them if they were named. Other people have witnessed the conduct, and there's other people who are prepared to give evidence about what they witnessed, Barnett said. McLachlan's barrister Stuart Littlemore, QC, said the application to suppress the names was utterly premature and he had no interest in naming any person, or even knowing their name except to conduct the ordinary investigative process. It's unworkable so far as it concerns my client's rights to defend against these contextual allegations, Littlemore said. He said the court should not act on the evidence of a police complaint made against his client, because there was not enough information about it. We're not told in which jurisdiction this complaint has been made or when they have made this complaint, Littlemore said. He said one of the three people wanted to remain anonymous because things that happened to me are personal and another said they would lose sleep if they were named. That is hardly in the interest of open justice, Littlemore said. They're witnesses or nothing. And they are all saying we are unwilling to be witnesses. Justice Lucy McCallum will make a decision on the suppression on Monday. Sydney Morning Herald.